Right, welcome to the Locksmith Throwdown. Are we ready to work? That's what I'm talking about. Right, we're going to get into a warm-up, and then we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of the workout. My three trainers rather, Ellie English, Leon Fish, Charlie, make some noise, let's go! Jumping jacks! This is where it starts. Boy, listen to the music and let's get into it. Just a warm-up, people. Yes. In 2, 1, we're going to go high knees. Let's go. Get them arms firing. Push it, come on. Enzo, come forward, my friend. Come on. Keep going, keep going. In 2, 1, we're going to get into some walkouts. We're going to walk out and straight back up. If you struggle with that, make sure you get a good bend in your knees. And back up. And down again. Back up, one more time. Nice. Right, I just want you to shake it off. Get your feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna get some windmills in. Right, on my call, we're gonna get into some air squats. But when you get up to the top, we're gonna twist. Right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's squat and twist. Twist. Go as low as you can. Remember, it's you versus you. Keep going. Well done. Keep pushing. Get that twist on. Nice. One more. Right, we're going to get to quick feet. Get them feet going. Listen to my call. When I say left, we're going to turn left. When I say right, we turn right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Hey! Right, take a break there. Shake it out. We know what we're doing now. We start from the top in 4, 3, 2, jumping jacks. Yes. Get that heart rate up. Get working. This is just the beginning, people. Nice. In 3, 2, 1, high knees. Yes. I don't know who made this track, but boy, it's banging. Let's go, people, come on. Keep it going. In 2, 1, we're gonna walk it out again. Yes. Back up. Walk it out. Back up. Are we ready for some squat twist? In 3, 2, 1. Twist. Yeah. It's the last bit of our warm-up. And then we're going to get a bit of water on and hand you over to Ellie English. In 5, keep going. 3, 2, 1. Ready for the warm-up?
Yay! So we're going to go for 45-15, 5 exercises, and we're going to be doing 2 rounds, okay? So I'll demonstrate the first one, and then we'll just get going, and I'll remind you of the rounds as we go, yeah? So first one, we're going to go for a squat, drop down, shuffle to the side, tap down, and a squat jump to the other side. So shuffle, tap, jump, squat down, yeah? Straight as quick as you can to the other side. And then, yeah, play the rest when we get there, yeah? We ready? So you got a 10-second countdown anyway.
We don't play, don't pretend, no. Yeah.
Yeah, shuffling down, chest is up tall, weight in the heels, big jump up, yeah? Let's go. To the left. Big jump And cross. Let's go. Big jump. Use them arms. Yes. You can't jump, just take it to a squat. Come on, people. Push. Nice. Come on, bigger squat. Quicker shuffle if you can. Let's go. 15 to push. Come on. Yes. Take the side. Yes. Last one. Shuffle. Yes. Lovely. Next one to the floor. Into a high plank. You're going 3 point. 1, 2, 3. Change side. Diagonal. Middle. Side, yeah? Keep them shoulders on top of the wrist. Thumbs low in 3, 2, 1. Nice and sharp. 1, 2, cross. Diagonal and up to the side. Keep that bum low. Core tight. Yes, guys, come on. Nice deep breath. The shoulders are going to burn. Stay with it. Come on. Easy work. Come on, you've got 20 seconds to push. Feel them obliques working. Nice and wide. Let's go. Deep breath. 6 seconds. Come on, give me the last one. And rest. Yes, breathe. Next one, we're on the feet. We're going to punches for 8 and you're going to speed it up for 8. So 8 steady, 8 nice and fast, yeah? Go for as much speed as you can, yeah? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and fast, come on. And then 8 fast, count your reps, that's it. Ooh. Right, soft. Keep going. Keep going and punches. That's it. Get that tempo. Still strong with the arms. Fast you can with them 8. Bit faster, come on. Add them knees to make it a bit harder. Yes. Come on. Relax them shoulders. Sharp arms. Come on, guys. Push. 10 seconds. Nice deep breaths. Good. You got 5. Good. And shake it out. Here. 4th one. We're walking out. Stacking them shoulders. 1, 2. Drive up. Stand. Yeah. Keeping the bum low. Core tight. You ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Quick as you can. Walking out. 1, 2. Drive. Quick as you can. Let's go. Come on, guys. Yes, and again. Nice and fast. Don't let them hips drop too low. Yes. Come on. Almost there with that first round. Come on. Last 12 seconds, guys. Keep it going. We got another one to the floor. Let's go, let's go. And again, 4. And breathe. My favourite till last. Big jump up, chest to the floor, in, up, yeah? If it's too much, half burpee, exactly the same effort, yeah? You ready? 3, 2, let's go. As many reps as you can. Come on, guys. Use that chest, push yourself up. Nice, come on, dig deep. 20 seconds, guys, come on, let's go. Don't give up. Push, push, push. 15. We have 8 to go. And again. And again. 4, 3. Yes. 3. We got one more round, yeah? Start from the top. Touchdown. Shuffle. Big jump, yeah? Now you know what you're doing. A little bit harder. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Push. Nice big shuffle. Push and drop. Yes, guys, come on, let's go. Chest is up tall, hips are down low, come on. Yes, guys. Push. Nice. Last time we do this exercise, yeah? 20 seconds. Big jump, come on. Nice. Bigger shuffle, let's go. 8 seconds. Last 4. Yeah, stay there, wobbly. Nice and sharp. 1. Yeah, legs really nice and wide. In 3. Come down to the floor, guys. Let's go. I know it's tough. Nice deep breaths. Let's go. Diagonal, middle, side. Lovely. Nice and wide with that outside leg. 22 seconds. Shoulders are feeling it. Let's go. Lovely. 12 more, guys, come on. Keep up. Let's go. 5. And rest, lovely. Punches next, yeah, nice and steady. Still keep the arms strong, but slower pace. Let's go, 8. And then speed up for them 8, get the knees up. Sharp as you come with them arms. Yes, 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 yes. Fast, 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 fast. Really pick up that pace for the second 8. Push, push, push. Yes, guys. Faster with them arms, come on. Lovely, we're almost there.
Last 15, let's go.
Let's go, come on, arms, 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 yes. 8 seconds. Last 5. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Second, last one, we're gonna have a rest. Here, stack them hands. Pause nice and tight. Really fast walk up, yeah? In 3. You're smashing it, guys. Deep breaths. 2. Let's go, come on. Plant them hands. Nice. Let's go. Big squeeze at the top of the glutes. Come on. As fast as you can on that walk out. Nice. Easy work. Let's go. Easy. 20 more seconds. Let's go. Last 12. Come on, guys. In 6. In 3. In 2. Yes. Well done. We're going for the last one. Max effort, yeah? Big jump. All the way to the floor. Big jump in and up, yeah? You ready? In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Keep up, nice and fast. Come on. Yes. Come on, dig deep. 30 seconds. Finish off strong, guys. Come on. Last 20. Let's go. Let's go, fish. Come on. Last 10. Come on. Few more. In 6.
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, and yes. Rest. Have a drink.
Are we ready? We've had our water. Yeah, we've toweled down. My turn now. All right, so we are going to do every 2 minutes on the minute, okay? Within the 2 minutes, you need to complete a series of exercises. The exercises will be 4 exercises, okay? First exercise will be 20 air squats, all right? Second exercise will be 20 push-ups, okay? Third exercise will be 10 down-ups, and then the remainder of the time, if you've got any time left, will be sit-ups. Simple? So, 20 air squats, 20 push-ups, 10 down-ups, I will demo. The remainder of the time, you will do sit-ups, okay? So, first it will be 20 air squats. You're trying to get this work done as quick as you can. You'll move into your push-ups for 20. If we're doing it on our knees, make sure chest is going down, pushing back through, yeah? And then down-ups will be down, standing upright, okay? 10, 20, 20, 10. Remainder time, you just go down onto your back and you're just coming up here, okay? So we're moving at all times. If you completed all your reps, you go down into your sit-ups. Once you hear the beep again, we will be starting this series of exercises again. So the rep count, 20 air squats again, 20 push-ups, 10 down-ups. The remainder of the time, you'll do sit-ups. You hear the beep again, you'll get up, you'll start the series again, okay? All right, are we ready? 5 seconds, team. All right, let's go.
Yes, guys.
That's the work, people, keep pushing. All right, into our push-ups, let's go. Oh, hey, we're all pretty quiet here. Feeling that one, eh? 6, down ups. All right, let's go. Straight into the down up. You've got 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Let's go, guys.
Come on, team. 10.
Come on, guys. Get them done.
All right, we're just past the minute. The remainder of the time, you'll be doing sit-ups. Let's go. Right, for the remainder. Let's see it. Let's get them sit-ups. Get them in. Let's go, team. 40 seconds. Power through that work. Keep getting them repetitions in. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Come on, 10 seconds now. 5. And we're back on our feet. Our 2 minutes is starting again. Let's go. Back into the squat. Come on. Power through them reps. Come on, let's go. Into them push-ups next for 20. All right, and then our down-ups next. Come on! 1 minute and 10 seconds. Right, sit up. 25 seconds. Let's go, Hank. Come on. Fucking hell, you joining me? Yeah. Nice. 30 seconds, don't stop. That's just the music.
Come on, guys. All the way. Lean it. Let's go. Let's go.
20 seconds, team.
Come on. And again. And again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Down and up. Let's go. 10 seconds, guys. Come
Nice burn on that core.
Let's go. Let's go. Big reach. Yeah.
All right. We're into round 3 and 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, we've only done 4 minutes of work. Come on. It's 10 minutes. Yeah? Full rep. Full rep. Good. Still on the 20s. All right. Push-ups. Let's go.
Giving up charm, hanging bitches from your arms, so you think you got style, but you don't. You're not coming in, even with your bitchy coat. I'm looking at the ice on your throat. Talk is so big, boy, I hope you don't choke. Yeah, you got a little something.
Nice. Down up. Push-ups to down ups. Hey.
I'm so jacked like your Rambo. Yeah, I know you never seen a bankroll. Yeah, I know you leasing your iPhone.
Hey. 55 seconds to get into them sit-ups. 50. Let's go. 40 seconds. Nice burn on that core. 30 seconds. Keep powering through. Good work. Come on. Drive up. Keep working. Keep going.
See me in my story in my villa. I'll be by the cover with the liquor.
10 seconds.
Queen of the desert like Priscilla. No pre-game, no mixer. Yeah.
All right, we're up on our feet in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 4. Let's go, team. Let's go. Round 4. He's like, hey, we've done 6 minutes of work. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Who am I going off? I'm going off here. All right, push-ups. Let's go. Where is them push-ups? Make sure we're still getting them full reps in. Come on. Woo! Woo-hoo! Come on, Jay. Come on, Jay. Get them reps in. Nice, nice and strong. Come on, El. Come on. Come on, I need you on your feet now. Down ups, let's go, let's go. Down ups, come on, Charles. Let's go, let's go.
Come on. Head down, up, guys. Let's go.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Hey! We're into our sit-ups now! Let's go! Come on! 25 seconds! Seconds! 1, 5! Hey, we're into our final round! In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Round 5! Come on! Come on, get in. Listen, get that depth in your squats. Power through them. Quick reps. Last one. Last one. Come on. Power through. All right, we're into them push-ups again. Let's go. Down. Come on. A minute and 15 seconds to get into our sit-ups. Who's on down-ups? Come on, let's go. Where are we? Down-ups? Come on. Come on. Nice, come on. 45 seconds. Come on, let's go. 1. Good, 2. 3. 4. Nice. 5, halfway. 6. 7, 30 seconds. That's it, let's go, sit up, 20 seconds. Let's go. Nice. 15! Come on! 10 seconds!
Final push, come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Thank you. Well done. Thank you. No? Make some noise! Come on! Nice work.
Are we ready? So what we are going to do is 3 rounds, 3 exercises, 40 seconds work, 20-second rest in between. No rest in between rounds, okay? First exercise you're going to do, you're going to walk out with the hands, tap, both knees, walk in. Repeat for 40 seconds. Second exercise you're going to do, reverse lunge, squat and tap, jump up, squat and tap, go back into reverse lunges. Third exercise, you're going to kick through to here. Come back to the middle, bunny hop up, kick through to the other side. If there's one that anyone's going to slip on, it's going to be that one, so be careful, okay? Take your time with it. We are going to go in 10 seconds. So first one, walking the hands out, tapping the kneecaps in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go, walking it out. Tap, tap, walk it in, standing up, and again. Tap, tap. That's it, guys.
Big city gonna take it all.
Good. Keep it going, over halfway. Last 15 seconds. That's it, guys. Tap those knees. Last 5. And 20 seconds rest. Before we go into exercise number 2, which is reverse lunge, squat tap, okay? 5 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Squat tap. That's it, guys. Let's 10 seconds. Let's go. Yeah. Little lift to the feet. Tiny. Anything. Stop slipping. I know. Filthy. And rest. There. That is round 1 done. 2 more to go. 10 seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Walking the hands out. Round 2. Let's go. And walk it back in. Walking the hands out. Tap the knees. Good. Halfway. Let's go. Last 10 seconds. Come on. Walk those hands out. And rest. There, well done. Abs on fire. 10 seconds. So we're going into reverse lunge and squat. Off we go, let's go. Tap, tap, let's go. Back, back, tap, tap, back, back, let's go. Tap, tap. Good. Halfway, keep that tempo up, guys. 15.
Everybody says that you're no good for me.
Come on.
What they say, 'cause you're everything that I can
3, 2, and 1. Good. Okay, kick through. Bunny hop up. Three, 2, 1, let's go. That's it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Get both legs up. Good. Kick that leg right through. Good. Come on. And rest there. Woo. Right, the final round. We're going back into walking the hands out, tapping both knees, okay? Off we go. Standing up, let's go. Tap, walk it in, standing up, let's go, walk it out. Good, 15 seconds, let's go. This is the final round. Huh? Right, so good. 3, 2, and 1, 20 seconds. That is 7 rounds in total, then we have 2 more exercises to go. Stay with me, keep that energy high. Right. 5 seconds. We are going into lunge, lunge, squat, squat. Off we go. Stepping it back. Nice and quick, okay? Good. Keep that energy high. Let's go. Fire those legs right up. 15.
Right, we dig deep, yeah? We dig deep. Last exercise, each and every one of us, all the way
5
through.
seconds. Kicking that leg through. Let's go. Come on, team. Right, come on. Halfway. 20 seconds to go. 15 seconds. Come on, guys. Keep the energy high. Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Yes, team. Well done. Yes.
Effort! Well done. How we feeling, people? We feeling good? You ready for some more? You want more? No? Right. Can you make some noise for my trainer? Charlie, Ellie English, and Fish. Thank you guys for turning up. I know some of you have come from real far away. I massively, massively appreciate it. I woke up with all types of anxiety that no one was going to turn up. But the mere fact that you guys have means that this is the first step into They Call Me Locksmith community. So make some noise for yourself. Until next time, see you soon.